Microsoft is under fire once again over AI in Windows 11 after an overexcited marketing post. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Microsoft's marketing department posted an image across its social media promoting the dedicated Copilot button and the AI assistant it summons. This stirred up some controversy, with some accusing Microsoft's Copilot of being AI slop, along with claiming that no one wants this. And this is a poorly timed piece of PR, as Microsoft is finally bringing the ability to change the Copilot key back to function as right control. This key was replaced by Copilot button on AI PCs, but some people say right control is important for their workflow. And with that change coming to Windows 11 later this year, this marketing snippet feels even more judged. What's worse is how they exaggerated the usefulness of the Copilot key. The ad said that AI can fix everything, but can it? It's a frankly ridiculous statement to make, and it's not uncommon when it comes to advertising AI. Microsoft should keep in mind that AI in Windows 11 has triggered a lot of bad feelings in users, since the company's focus on pushing AI into everything was one of the reasons why people disliked it so much. Microsoft says the Copilot key gives main character energy in this ad, and it hopes that AI agents in Windows 11 will turn things around, but it remains to be seen how that'll pan out. While Microsoft is trying to generate positivity around Windows 11 with all its work to fix the OS, it would be better for the software engineers and designers to not let those efforts go to waste by the marketing crew wheeling out unintentional rage bait like this Copilot button. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.